me is very special. Here you got a 700. We're gonna take off on runway 9, I think. From what I see on that sign over there. Please don't rain. Is that a hand? I believe that was full power. Don't you gotta use up the whole runway? What? That little Jeep. Is there anything else coming? Can we stay a little longer? Can we stay a little longer?